Hello and welcome to MR Learning Circle. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to practice the MCQs of the topic microbial disease. So let's start our session. Question number 1. Certain microorganisms are never considered to be the members of normal flora. They are always considered to be pathogens. Which of the following organism fits into the category? Option A. Streptococcus pneumoniae. Option B. E. coli. Option C. Mycobacterium tuberculosis and option D. Staphylococcus aureus. So your correct option is option C. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Question 2. Antimicrobial therapy can decrease the amount of susceptible bowel flora and allow proliferation of relatively resistant colonic bacteria. Which of the following species can proliferate and produce a toxin that causes diarrhea? Option A. Enterococcus species. Option B. Streptococcus epidermidis. Option C. Pseudomonas aeruginosa and option D. Clostridium difficile. The correct answer for this question is option D. Clostridium difficile. Question 3. Which of the following microorganisms can be part of normal vaginal flora and cause meningitis in newborns? Your options are Candida albicans, option B. Corynebacterium species, option C. Streptococcus epidermidis and option D. Group B. Streptococcus. So your correct answer is option D. Group B. Streptococcus. Can you please name the members of Group B Streptococcus in the comment section? Now question number 4. Dental plaque and periodontal disease can be thought of as a continuum of what type of physiological process? Your options are option A. Biofilm formation, option B. Normal aging, option C. Abnormal digestion and option D. Exaggerated immune response. So your correct answer is option A. Biofilm formation. Question number 5. Which of the following microorganisms is closely associated with dental caries? Option A. Candida albicans, B. Streptococcus mutans, C. Pseudomonas melaninogenica and D. Neisseria subflava. The correct option is option B. Streptococcus mutans. Question number 6. Resident flora are commonly found in A. Liver, B. Urethra, C. Kidney, D. Salivary glands. So your correct answer is option B. Urethra. Question 7. Resident flora is absent from A. Pharynx, B. Lungs, C. Small intestine, D. Synovial fluid. So your correct answer is D. Synovial fluid. Question 8. Food poisoning is caused by A. Clostridium tetani, B. Clostridium welchii, C. Diphtheria and D. Clostridium botulinum. The correct answer is D. Clostridium botulinum. Question number 9. Koplik spot will develop in A. HIV, B. Measles, C. Mumps, D. Rubella. The correct answer is B. Measles. Question number 10. Septicemia is bacteria in blood, toxin in blood, C. Pus in blood or D. Multiplication of bacteria and toxins in blood. Your correct answer is option D. Multiplication of bacteria and toxins in blood. Question 11. Lyme disease is caused by Option A bacteria, B fungi, C spirochete and D virus. The correct answer is option C spirochete. Question 12. Toxic shock syndrome is caused by A. S. albus, B. Staphylococcus aureus, C. Streptococcus viridans, D. None of these. The correct answer is toxic shock syndrome is caused by Staphylococcus aureus. Question 13. The causative agent of scrub typhus is R. quintana, R. rickettsia, R. orientalis or R. provazeki. Your correct answer is option C, R. orientalis. Question 14. Common cold is caused by A. adenovirus, B. coronavirus, C. hepatitis virus, D. pox virus. The correct answer is option B, coronavirus. Salmonella typhi is causative organism of A. undulant fever, B. remnant fever, C. dengue fever, D. enteric fever. Your correct answer is option D, enteric fever. Question 16. Which of the following Salmonella paratyphi is commonest in India? Option A, B, B, option C, option D, none. Your correct answer is option A, paratyphi type A. Question 17. In enteric fever, the organ lodging maximum number of organisms is A. liver, B. gallbladder, C. small intestine, D. large intestine. So your correct answer is B. gallbladder. Question number 18. Gastroenteritis is caused by A. Shigella, B. Vibrio cholerae, C. Vibrio cholerae parahemolyticus, C. Salmonella typhi. Your correct answer is C. Vibrio cholerae parahemolyticus. Question number 19. The following infections caused by E. coli except urinary tract infection, B. meningitis, C. diarrhea, D. dysentery. Your correct answer is B. meningitis. Question number 20. Diphtheria is caused by A. Corynebacterium diphthery, B. Corynebacterium bovis, C. Corynebacterium zicium or D. Corynebacterium equi. Your correct answer is option A, Corynebacterium diphthery. Question 21. The causative agent of scarlet fever is A. Staphylococcus aureus, B. Streptococcus viridans, C. Streptococcus pyogenes and D. none of these. Your correct answer is option C, Streptococcus pyogenes. Next question, question number 22. Rheumatic fever is most commonly caused by option A, Streptococcus viridans, option B, Streptococcus pyogenes, option C, Staphylococcus aureus and option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, Streptococcus pyogenes. Question 23. Which of the in human being Streptococcus pneumoniae causes A. septicemia, B. paronychia, C. pneumonia and D. none of these. The correct answer is C. pneumonia. Question 24. Conjunctivitis in newborn is caused by Streptococcus, B. pneumococcus, C. meningococcus, D. None of these. So your correct answer is A. Streptococcus. Question 25. Ray's syndrome is caused by option A. Streptococcus pneumoniae, option B. Streptococcus pyogenes, option C. Influenza, and option D. None of these. Your correct answer is option C. Influenza. Question number 26. Measles is characterized by option A. Nigri body, option B. Babes Ernest granules, option C. Koplik spot, and option D. Fever. This is an MSQ, so your correct answer would be option B, option C, and option D. Question 27. Mediterranean fever is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, B. Salmonella typhi, C. Neoformans, D. Brucella. The correct answer is D. Brucella. Brucella causes A. Pertussis, B. Plague, C. Brucellosis, D. None of these. The correct answer is C. Brucellosis. Question 29. The causative agent of tetanus is A. Clostridium botulinum, C. Clostridium tetani, B. Clostridium tetani, C. Clostridium welchi, D. Clostridium perfringens. Your correct answer is B. Clostridium tetani. Question 30. Toxic shock syndrome is caused by the toxins of A. Staphylococcus aureus, B. Streptococcus pyogenes, C. Vibrio cholerae, D. Candida. The correct answer is A. Staphylococcus aureus. Causative agent of syphilis is A. Treponema pallidum, B. Treponema pertineu, C. Treponema keratium, D. Treponema endematium. The correct answer is A. Treponema pallidum. Question number 32. Gonorrhea is A. Airborne disease, B. Waterborne disease, C. Sexually transmitted venereal disease, or D. Both A and C. The correct answer is C. Sexually transmitted venereal disease. Question 33. Bartholin cyst is caused by A. Candida, B. Streptococcus, C. Staphylococcus, D. Gonococcus. So your correct answer is D. Gonococcus. Question 34. Neisseria gonorrhoeae causes urethritis, B. Conjunctivitis, C. Arthritis, and D. All of the above. Question 35. Japanese encephalitis is caused by A. Toga virus, B. Arbovirus, C. Paramyxovirus, and D. Orthomyxovirus. So your correct answer for this question is B. Arbovirus. Question 36. Yellow fever is caused by A. Bunia virus, B. calcivirus, C. Arbovirus, and D. None of these. The correct answer is C. Arbovirus. Question 37. Candidiasis is caused by A. Candida albicans, B. Aspergillus species, C. E. flocosum, D. M. audioni. The correct answer is A. Candida albicans. Question 38. Aspergillus fumigatus can infect Aspergillus niger, B. Aspergillus fumigatus, C. Aspergillus flavus, and D. Aspergillus oryzae. The correct answer is Aspergillus oryzae. Question 39. Tinea versicolor is caused by A. Candida albicans, B. Malassezia furfur, C. Aspergillus niger, D. None of these. So your correct answer is option B. Malassezia furfur. Question number 40. The causative agent of Tinea nigra is A. Malassezia furfur, B. Exophylla vereniki, C. Candida albicans, D. Aspergillus flavus. Your correct answer is option B. Exophylla verenicae. Question number 41. The causative agent of African histoplasmosis is A. Histoplasma capsulatum, B. Histoplasma dubiosae, option C. Aspergillus niger, option D. Aspergillus flavor. So your correct answer is B. Histoplasma duboisii. Question number 42. Causative organism of whooping cough is A. Botedla pertussis, B. Botedla parapertussis, C. Botedla bronchi septica, D. None of these. Your correct option is option A. Botedla pertussis. That was all for today. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you have learned something, please like the video, share it with your friends, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.